Okay, hi everyone. I'm here at the PV Magazine booth with Mehmet Izzet Ozaydin, who is chairman of the Turkish Solar Association, GÜNDER. And I thank you for joining us today. Now, Turkey's had another really strong start to the year. In terms of installation figures, we reported 1.97 gigawatts in the first 4 months of the year, which are really impressive numbers anywhere. But for your perspective, Mehmet, what do you see as the main kind of drivers of the Turkish market?
Thank you, Patrick. Yes, Turkish market is a challenging market, and consumers are mainly the businessmen who are competing on the world and trying to be alive during this harsh competition years. And that is the main reason how we are investing this much, because people are thinking that to invest in solar is investing like a machine to a machinery, which will give them pay them back in certain years and put them into profit with respect to the competition. So this is the main driver today. We don't have much drivers for residential nowadays, but on the business side, we have a lot of drivers, and we think that this year will end up around 5 gigawatts, which is not so small, but it is okay. Which are too exaggerated, because we have years with 9 gigawatt also, but this year and the next coming years will be about 5 to 7 gigawatts for the coming time.
So looking at like 5 to 7 gigawatts a year, that's impressive for most countries to be honest with you now. How important is the domestic manufacturing sector in Turkey for those installation figures? How is the manufacturing market developing?
Domestic manufacturing is developing quite well. The cell production in Turkey, end of this year, will be about 7 gigawatts. And that is, as we talked before, enough for the yearly consumption. Other than that, we have all the other components produced in Turkey. I can easily say today, other than the polysilicon cards, a photovoltaic unit is 100% Turkish. We can do that. And this is possible everywhere next year. The polysilicon production is under discussion. If it goes, then it will be more than 100%.
Great to hear the domestic market developing like that. Final question was you're here, obviously Intersolar, we've got representations all around the world. What's Turkey's present target Intersolar this year?
First of all, I should say I am always an admirer of this fair, Intersolar. For many years, it is always the most popular and the most successful. So I would like to congratulate everybody in Turkey and yourself, because you are one of the provocators also. And on the other side, I have seen many Turkish companies belonging to our association here, especially photovoltaic module producers, and especially some EPC companies who are constructing themselves. It will be better for Turkey in the coming years also if a European-made concept will be of some use, and we will be exporting modules to Europe as our manpower.
Great, yeah, we definitely hope to see that as well. Thanks for jumping by the booth today and have a great rest of the day.
Thank you very much. It was very nice to have this conversation. Thank you. Great.